Hi, I'm Jack Shannon. When it comes to manufacturing data, do you ever feel like you just can't get enough of it? If you feel this way, perhaps data is not your issue. Maybe your strategy of how you manage the production floor needs to change. Visual South helps companies digitally transform themselves. Then we teach people how to use the data that's now available to them. Our data source is ERP. If they don't have ERP, we sell them ERP, and then we teach them and train them how to use it. If they already have ERP, we help them use it better. The blog is about what data to analyze, what data to collect. But this isn't the only blog we have on this important issue. Let me show you how to find the other blogs about manufacturing data. Go to the Visual South website and navigate to the blog. And that's our blog page, and then scroll down and you'll see posts by topic. All of our posts are grouped by different topics. Manufacturing data, we have 9 posts. If you click on that, you'll see the 9 posts that all have to do with manufacturing data. I hope you enjoy this blog or any of our blogs. If you'd like to have a discussion about this, I offer a free 30-minute consultation. In the upper right-hand corner of our website, there's a free consultation link. Just click that, fill out the form, short form, not a lot of information, and I'll be in touch. Thanks.